Introducing Olli, the world's first low-friction, shock-proof, scratch-resistant, and noise-proof ring. The place where technological innovation embraces nautical tradition is here. Traditional low-friction rings often cause damage while sailing, bumping into the boat's deck or portholes. Olli revolutionizes the world of low-friction rings, thanks to its innovative anti-shock design. Born from the study and engineering patent of a special marine rubber, providing protection and durability to the boat, Olli is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Thanks to the elegant aluminum body, it is perfectly balanced between lightness and sturdiness. The marine-grade anodizing treatment makes it resistant to the rigors of marine weather. It is available in 5 different sizes for all your needs: light, minimal, and functional. It harmoniously combines the quality of made in Italy with the practicality of an onboard tool. Olli, the new era for low-friction rings.